Lately I've been obsessed with 3D modeling, so I created this simple scene in Blender to use as a base for a drawing. It looks very messy from above, but basically it's just some high mountains and a space base in the background, and in the foreground some gentle hills and a space vehicle. Once I was happy with the result, I could add textures, hit the render button, and get this little image right here, alongside a color map and a depth map to add atmosphere and fog to the composition. Once I had those done, I could start working on the image, and those black shapes you see me cover right here are actually part of the render where the mountain was missing, because I didn't pay enough attention while creating the landscapes. The basic concept for the artwork was an apocalypse, and people's final resort being to move and live on Mars, because planet Earth was destroyed by the impact with a huge asteroid. However, I quickly realized I didn't like the look of this destroyed planet, so instead I chose to create a black hole, which basically destroyed the planet, and in the end I think it looks much better. The whole process was very interesting. I used a bunch of textures to achieve the look I imagined, and I'm about to add some characters and more details in a couple minutes. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video and stay tuned till the end to see the final result.